Welcome back, everybody. It's early April and we have got another cheer weekend ahead of us, so we are just loading up. Sorry, I'm a little bit of a unshaven mess. Couple of days off getting ready for spring, summer, so come with us. Got another cheer weekend, so we're going to go pick up Lacey, meet Lily in town, and we will see you on the way. Bye.
Good.
What'd you do? What'd you get up to?
Tomorrow we're doing DT, so we're finishing our sewing off.
Tomorrow's
and I can't tell you it. Well, Monday. I can't tell you what we're doing because it's a surprise.
Yeah.
You're going to see on Easter.
Yeah.
But you're not allowed to know. Oh yeah, I've also got a new thing.
What's that?
I can't tell you guys.
Oh. Where are we going now?
Hotel. I don't know which hotel. I don't want to know which hotel because I only want to know that we're going to a hotel.
Whoa, what's that smell?
My feet.
Ugh.
It's you, mate.
What hotel is it again? Premier Inn Stoneleigh?
No, don't tell me.
No, we didn't know what hotel it is.
Good. Don't tell me.
Okay, so should we go get Lil?
Yeah, hang on.
Go get Lil?
What did you say? You stopped me half conversation.
Should we go get Lil?
Yeah, but Mum, what did you say? We went.
I changed a couple words, put it on a secret. Our families grown. Right there, like. Made a band and got quite well known. You could perhaps call us the Tudor Von Trust. I'm just kidding. We're called the Royaling Stones. Drop it. We're one of a kind. No way. There's no way. So you read a Bible so full. Must think that I'm naive.
Got 1 hour and 41 minutes to go. Oh, look who we have here, everybody. Who have we got, guys?
You're putting me.
Who's here?
No, Lily.
Who's me? Who's Lily? What did you do at school?
School.
What did you
What
do,
did you do
at
at
school?
school?
Work.
What type of work?
Maths, English,
Mummy.
history, science, art.
So we ready to go? Where are we going today, guys?
I have a nothing.
In a hotel.
We're going to...
Mum! Don't tell me!
Is it Warwick?
I think it's near Warwick, is it?
Don't tell me!
It's an hour and 41 minutes away.
Alright, thanks. That's all I wanted to know. I don't want to know where we're going.
I think it's called Stoneleigh. So 1 hour 41. Throw you in the GoPro, guys. Let's go. I'm just wondering if the sat nav took us off
4 minutes.
just the traffic, just to avoid traffic.
Oh, maybe. A bridge.
One out. Did we go under a tunnel, ladies? Mum just said it went a tunnel.
It's basically a bridge.
You didn't go over the bridge, you went under the bridge.
Oh, we went under a bridge.
Yes, it's a tunnel.
All right.
So we're here at the Premier Inn Balsall Common near the NAEC in Coventry, and we are here. There is a beef eater right outside, and then our hotel's just there, and this is your main car park. And we're here, the Premier Inn Balsall, and then we've got the car park and the beef eater, and it says, oh, reception's this way. I've got a Sainsbury's over the road. It's nice. Do the car. Validate parking. Validate parking. Yes.
What was I gonna say?
It's nice up there.
Oh yeah, I've done like a million workouts today.
A million?
Because in school we have to science week, you have to do like science stuff. So I had to do like all of it was like literally like a million, because this is a workout.
That is a workout. Got a vending machine.
Watch out, Dad. I'm gonna hit you.
Sorry, bro. I'm just checking in.
There's like these. There's like these seats where you sit on them,
Yeah,
and then you could drive it.
that's cool.
I really want one of those.
Yeah. Got tea and coffees over there, look.
You also know when I don't. You know I never like to like.
Because I've said so many things to them, everyone aired me.
What you
I
said?
literally said 5 minutes before that, oh my god, there's tea over there. They haven't answered me.
Who said that?
Me?
Who said that? I can't.
Dad.
Yeah.
There's like, you know how I always sit like this,
You ready, girls?
and you just stick you down. Why did you put it up? Go on, mate.
Go on, mate. Room 16.
What?
I bet it's closer to the car park, though.
It is closer to the car park.
Oh, room 16.
Yeah, this way, pop it.
Probably the end of
What?
No. 16. Oh, here we go.
Can't open the door. Why is the light switch so high? It's like my height.
And welcome to the room. Woo! Room 16. The Premier Inn.
Hello.
Hello.
First, before you come in, you may sit on the bed.
Oh, thank you.
Sit this side.
Sit this side.
Just sit down here.
This is a lovely bedroom. You. Oh my gosh. What is under the bed?
Come out, wherever you are, Miss Lily.
So you can store stuff under there, suitcases, I guess. And we got a nice king-size bed.
Lily, get out of the bed.
2 single beds.
Lil, I'm trying to get Lil on just.
Got a fan, just turn the fan on, get some cool air circulating. Nice TV.
Here's my dad, actually.
Car park straight out there. Window can open. And then we got, as I said, a nice king size bed, 2 singles, lamps.
You want a bathroom?
We've got bedsides,
No, it's in the toilet.
got toilet, sink.
Hey guys, I'm embarrassing, mate.
Gosh.
Yikes.
So you got a nice size tub, got a shower.
Help me. We got a shower, some soap,
Yeah.
and we got some other. I don't know what that is. Come on, me. Come here.
Good shit. Bathroom. So like all the Premier Inns, you get a kettle,
And actually, they give you coffee.
all the condiments.
How do you open
Nice
it? Oh, there we go.
box,
Bottle opener.
bottle opener.
Coffee.
Then you got your towels,
Let's pop it.
some spare pillows.
Right.
We got 4 on the bed, have we? Yeah.
Now, come here.
What's in there? That's where the pillows are from, are they? Hairdryer. Does that mirror turn on the light?
Hang on, let me do it. No, here. Achoo!
Incoming.
And then you got your main door. You can hang some coats. Long mirror.
Come with me at your feet.
And that's
in
your
the world
standard Premier Inn room.
table.
Oh, it's a nice little table.
Me look at me.
There's like no room between us soon.
No.
Move the beds. Dan, move. 1 in the morning. I love my.
Oh, it's Mum. And then this is your menus for the beef eater, which is next door. Some deals.
I'm gonna be a pain in the butt. That hang themselves with a little lacy assistance.
Food's been ordered. Simpsons on the TV. We're having a chicken express, but Mum's going to the beef eater to get herself a steak. George in the tree, which is what it's called. And we rang them. They said you can go pay for it at the bar, and then they tell you when roughly to come back to collect it, and you can take it back to the room. You are supposed to ring reception here for room service, but that didn't seem to work, so we spoke to them directly. And now we're just waiting for Just Eat to deliver while Lacey gets her hair done. Doner kebab. Got some loaded fries. Watching Dad is Home on the TV. Lacey had a pizza. Lil had a 5-box.
I'm kind of using knife.
And we've got Dad has
What you got, Lil? I got 2 chicken wings, 5 chicken bites of mini filler and some chips. And some cheesy chips.
It's already hot. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Subscribe our channel. Turn on our channel. Remember to hit the notification bell and give us a huge thumbs up. Bye guys. Bye guys.